This lesson is on inverse functions. This is a review learning target that you should have looked at in Algebra 2. I can find the inverse of a function. So we want to look at the definition of what inverse relations are. An inverse relation exists if and only if one relation contains the point BA whenever the other relation contains the point AB. For example, if I'm looking at tickets versus cost, where tickets is my input and cost is my output, then my points would be 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8, and 5, 10. One ticket costs $2, 2 tickets cost $4, 3 tickets cost $6, 4 tickets cost $8, and 5 tickets cost $10. Now, I could look at the inverse of this where I'm switching X and Y. I'm just interchanging X and Y. Instead of tickets being my input, now the cost is my input and the tickets are my output. So now if I spend $2, I've bought 1 ticket. If I spend $4, I've bought 2 tickets. $6 gets me 3 tickets, $8 gets me 4 tickets, and $10 gets me 5 tickets. These are inverse relations because X and Y have switched places. Let's graph these two functions and compare the tables. So I'm going to go to my graphing calculator and I'm going to go to my y equals and type in the square root of x minus 4 and then the inverse of that, which is x squared plus 4. And I'm going to go to second graph to look at the tables. I notice for my y1, which is the square root of x minus 4, I have errors until I get up to 4, 0. So 4, 0 is on the square root of x minus 4. I would expect 0, 4 to be on the inverse function x squared plus 4. So let's go up here and look at 0, 4 is on the inverse function. So x and y have switched places. All right, so let's go back down and look at 5, 1 is on my square root of x minus 4. 1, 5 is on my function x squared plus 4. 2, 8 is on the function x squared plus 4. So I would expect to be able to come down here and see 8, 2 is on the function the square root of x minus 4. If I go back up here, 3, 13 is on the function x squared plus 4. So I would expect to be able to come down here and see 13, 3 is on the function the square root of x minus 4. Okay, so I'm hoping that you're getting the idea that what we're doing here is switching x and y. I could see 420 is on the function x squared plus 4. So if I go all the way down to 20, I would expect to see 24 on the square root of x minus 4. So I hope that you see that what is happening here is that the two functions are switching their x's and y's. The domain of the first function is the range of the second. The range of the first is the domain of the second.